I got this for Christmas. Glinda's wand. Meaning I ordered it for myself and then had TJ wrap it. But I haven't opened it. Brand new. Let's open it together. Ooh. The way that I am obsessed with Wicked. The hold it has on me. I loved the book Wicked. I was obsessed with it back in the day. The musical Wicked, I always said I would like to see it closer next time. I've seen it twice from kind of far away, but this movie, unbelievable. Oh, we have lots of fun back here. Ooh. Oh, I almost got the whole thing off in one. That would have been awesome. Okay. Oh my gosh. So give me flashbacks to my youth and childhood opening up Barbies. You're gonna be testing me right now. Woo! Now let's untwist the twisties. Oh, it's not a twisty, it's a... Oh. Ta-da! I think I almost got magic bauble loose. Don't let me sing anymore, by the way. Oh, yes. Ooh. Oh, it's beautiful. It's actually way more beautiful than I thought it was gonna be. I swear, I think I have been pausing taking this out of the box because I don't know how unhinged I'm gonna be walking around my house Glindified. Okay, we're in. So this is the bottom. I really like the assembly of this. Is pretty straightforward. Oh, spoke too soon. Who knows what goes where? That's what she said. Is there something I'm missing here? Like, I see this little plastic thing has a slit, so it's supposed to like have some give to it. Yes! Ah, okay. It wasn't that hard. So, all down. Ball down.